Is two-step verification causing you more troubles than it's worth? Fear not, my friends. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a super easy and enjoyable method to turn it off. Buckle up because we're about to level up our Roblox game. With the Roblox site open, click here. Now, click on Settings. At the left side, we will see the security page. Click on it. Here we are. You will see the two-step verification page. Now, just go at your method and turn it off. A warning will show up. Click on Confirm. Now, you have to enter the code generated by our Authenticator app. After entering the code, click on Verify. That's it. The two-step verification is turned off. If you had any doubts about this content, comment below. If the video helped you, leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Bye!